Okay, here we go. I'm on the wrong side. Brian DH35 Sports Cards. We are doing high-end football mixer number 2. This is the 4-box break version. These are everybody's teams right here. Show you everybody's teams. And then we are cruising tonight. The Rams had not been sold yet, so we are going to throw everybody in the randomizer, and I am going to issue them to whoever is on top after 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Let's go a 4th time. 4. Right out cards. There you go. Brian, you got the Rams. Congratulations, buddy. Let me update the sheet real quick. And I'm going to rip. All right, let's do this. You got it, buddy. You guys have been smoking the breaks tonight, so why not? All right, let's start with Spectra. Showed all the teams. We're recording. Good to go. Good luck. There we go. Nice little Odell Beckham on bottom. I'm cheating. Black gold Odell Beckham. Not bad. G-Man. Smalley. And Aaron Rodgers. The base are to not 79? 75. 15 out of 75. Almost hit his jersey number. The rookie base is to 149. Jordan Matthews. Blue Marshawn Lynch. Oh, that's sick. Sorry, I'm cheating. I'm peeking. Daryl LaMonica Black. 4 out of 5 for the Raiders. Bateson. Bateson's got the Raiders. Went ham on the mega break. D-Nuke gold for the Texans. 14 out of 25. How much time's left in that game? Houston shooter. Brandon Cooks gold for the Saints. Right out cards. Oh. 25. Kentucky lost? Oh my God. Wow. Terrence West, Browns. To 199. Leo Inc. with the Browns. Man, this is like a gold hot pack. Jaguars, Marquise Lee. 25. 13 out of 25. Almost hit his jersey number. What's up, C. Neal? Jarvis Landry for the Dolphins. 6 out of 25. Devonta Adams. Oh. For the Packers. Charles Sims, black for the Bucks. Smalley is on a heater. 1 of 1. Man, Smalley is just crushing it. It's on like a 2-week hot streak, man. Nice. Smalley, 101. Got a loaded box here. Gold Mike Evans. 21 out of 25. LaDainian Washington for the Giants. It's tricky because his jersey says something else. Taylor Gabriel, Browns. Robert Heron. And Allen Robinson, Jaguars. Shooter. Museum. Up next. I'm not the biggest fan of Bo Ryan. I like how he coaches. Obviously I don't know him, but I don't really dig him. He kind of gives off that he's really into himself kind of thing. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. All right, here we go. Terry Bradshaw, Jerick McKinnon, Frank Gore, Tom Brady, and a quad. Johnny Manziel, Teddy Bridgewater, RG3, and Ryan Tannehill. Poor Teddy Bridgewater. He wants off of this card so bad. Oh, God. I'll have to random that one off. Tom Brady, Brandon Cooks, Emmitt Smith, Zach Mettenberger, and Devonta Adams. 47 out of 50. I thought that should have been an autograph. What happened, Power Master? Did you kill the chat? There we go. Joxy's alive. Mettenberger, Forte, Brett Favre, Marshawn Lynch, and Monty Ball to 350. Stafford, Dickerson, J.J. Watt, Brandon Cooks to, what are his Blues, 99? Yep, to 99. And Cheeseburger to 25 for the Titans. Ride out cards, 4 out of 25. Nice looking card. Zach Mettenberger. We'll go black gold next. Jimmy Graham to 99 for For the Saints, LaShawn McCoy to 149. Got Devonta Freeman on top to 149. Motherload, Jadeveon Clowney for the Texans. How many are left in that, Joxy? Do you know? Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. KC. K. Dacey. What's up? You in here? I don't see you. K. Dacey's in the house. What's up, Christian? How's it going, buddy? If you're watching out there in YouTube land, maybe you're not logged on. Who knows? No Cowboys in sight. Andre Johnson. Safarian Jenkins. That's the one you want the Cowboys out of. Believe me. Mike Evans. Bucks, as usual, killing it. Smalley. And Reggie Wayne. Immaculate. Hardy cards. Good Lord. It went last night, man. It went last night. You asked me that on Facebook, too. I responded to you. We got to work on your social updates. Yeah. Yep. It's funny too, because last time you asked about something, and I was like, "Oh man, you gotta check your emails. You gotta check your Facebook or something." So you asked on Facebook. So we're getting there. Yeah, it's on YouTube if you want to check it out. No, nothing that way. Fall asleep, Poppy? Did you go somewhere else? Pierre Thomas, Saints. In the blog. Cowboys. Gavin Escobar, 16 out of 25 numbers patch. There you go, Juice. He always gets weird around 11 o'clock. Allen Robinson, 4 out of 10. Oh, no. God, no. You don't need to be modded to buy in. I just... I don't want people I don't know, like, kicking people out of the room and stuff like that, so... We'll get to know each other. 25 out of 25. Thurman Thomas for the Dolphinos. That's weird. I don't remember him on the Dolphins. I don't know how many years he played there, but... Man, he sure was awesome for the Bills. This one's for the Dolphins, though. Jake834. This is what the fight was for all the Dolphins. Yeah, I love Thurman Thomas. He was awesome. Rookie Inc. 49 out of 49. Austin Safarian Jenkins. Last card is a Hall of Famer for the Vikings. 48 out of 60. CC. Go Bucks. Bateson. Oh, man. Dana's going to like that one. There you go. That's it for this one. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. We got a random. Browns. Maybe we have a random. Is Leo. Vikings is Bateson. Redskins are owned by... Jake834, and the Dolphins, Jake834, goes to Jake834. So, no random. So that's it for this one. Thank you, everybody. See you on the next one.